Which countries have F-35 aircraft? The F-35 is developed, produced, and supported by an international team of government allies and aerospace industry leaders. The F-35 program is managed by the Pentagon's F-35 Joint Program Office, the U.S. Air Force, the U.S. Marine Corps, and the U.S. Navy are all procuring and operating F-35s. There are 8 international program partners: the U.S., United Kingdom, Italy, Netherlands, Australia, Norway, Denmark, and Canada. 6 foreign military sales customers are also procuring and operating the F-35: Israel, Japan, South Korea, Poland, Belgium, and Singapore.